At Sterilizer Autoclave Solutions, we're dedicated to offering the assistance and resources necessary for all your autoclave and infection control queries, and that includes answering some of the most important questions. For example, what is the Tuttnauer BioNova Incubator? Tuttnauer's BioNova biological reader works in tandem with biological indicators to help perform spore tests on an autoclave. Spore testing is the method to test the sterility of your autoclave using a biological indicator. They contain carrier spores that are resistant to the sterilization process, and the test is determined positive or negative by the survival of the spores upon testing. And they're read with a biological reader like the Tuttnauer BioNova that hosts a wealth of benefits to make your testing fast and simple. The Tuttnauer BioNova aims for fast turnaround times with selections of 20-minute and 1-hour incubation times. The BioNova also sports a 12-slot incubation layout and is also able to run 2 separate programs simultaneously with 6 biological indicators on each side. Built with the user in mind, the BioNova has an easy-to-use layout with buttons and LED lights that indicate the available incubation options and operations with ease. With data logging and archiving, the BioNova comes built-in with a thermal printer for cycle data and USB connectivity for electronic logging. And when it comes to information on your Tuttnauer BioNova Incubator, SAS has got you covered. If you have any questions about the Tuttnauer BioNova Incubator or anything else, give us a call at 704-966-1650, option 3 for our free tech support line. And don't forget to like and subscribe.